Today we are going to be talking about the manual lathe, but first things first, the PPE required for operating this lathe. As you see, this is an example of how to indicate your part. You want your dial indicator to be 0 all the way around the part, and you do this by adjusting each jaw in the chuck individually. Always put something below your chuck when taking the chuck out to protect the bedways. This is how you would change the RPMs on the manual lathe. Never run the machine to just change the RPMs. Always move the chuck with just your hand while putting the lever into gear. This is a demonstration on how to use the lathe very safely.